team. There she is. Well, we're leaving here today and we're going to head to Seminyak, but first we go to a little restaurant for lunch called, I don't know how to say the first bit, but it's an aero park. Essentially, we're going to eat lunch today inside a restaurant that's inside an aircraft that is a 737.
Yeah, it's okay, enjoy your flight.
Oh, nice. It's pretty cool.
This is exciting, yeah.
That's enough playing pilots. Now let's head back and have our drink. I mean, how cool is this?
Oh my god.
And that is lunch done and dusted. A great experience, absolutely loved it. Trying to trip right now. And time to head to Seminyak now for our next hotel. What an experience. It is hot. It's like, did it just get like 20 degrees hotter here this day? Craziness. For you? Thank you, sir.
One hour later.
Thank you very much. Yeah, have a good day.
Thank you. Bye. You know what? It's not as ice cold as the last one. Good. Now this will work. This will work for the next 4 nights we have here. Very strange that they have that locked off. There's a room here, but you can't use it. And good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Yes. We spent the morning trying to figure out what to do today. We'll find a taxi that's not a dodgy taxi and go to 70X Square. Sweet? All right. My love. 70X Square, please. So, welcome to 70X Square. We're back for more. Pizza. And now, we have frozen yogurt.
That was expensive frozen yogurt.
How's it only been?
$14.
Rip off. Alright, we'll try and find the beach, take this down there and maybe just chill and watch. Alright, let's go. Guys, a fitting end to a relaxing week away. Absolutely beautiful here on the beach. Won't lie, it's still prefer Australian beaches. But this beach is nice. Smells really bad. But stop, she's gonna take a photo of me. This is us signing off saying that this has been a great trip away.
Good end to the afternoon.
Good end the trip. So thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoyed these vlogs. I hope you enjoyed the GoPro Fusion footage. I'm still trying to figure it out. I don't know how to edit it properly yet, so I'm just doing a quick fix with it.
So if it turns up in the video, you know we've done well.
Well, yeah,
In the editing.
it will turn up, but I can't figure out how to do it properly with the whole here's us, and then camera switches around, and then here's us. Anyway.
Complicated.
Great, now enjoy this sunset view of Emma with her umbrella dancing through the surf.
I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling your heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come. Counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance, 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 dance. I'm about to lose my mind, I'm going crazy. Lately I've been feeling every day's the same. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. Cause I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling your heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling your heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party?
Dog.
She has to go touch the dog.